Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your maths class. Today, as I told you before, that is in our last class, that today we are going to start with the sums from workbook. So, take out page number 64 of your maths workbook. Please take out page number 64, children. Now, you see there is this question number 17, and the question is, find the HCF of 12 and 16. You need to find the HCF of 12 and 16. Now, we already know how to take out the HCF by the prime factorization method. But let's take it out by the factors method. Okay. So, here what do? Here we write all the factors of 12 and 16. And then we find out the greatest among them. So, first we are writing the factors of 12. So, 1 12 is 12, 2 6 is 12, 3 4 is 12. So, these are the factors. Now, if we talk about 16, 1 into 16 is 16, 2 8 16, 3 with 3 it does not go, and we have 4 4 16, right? We are having 4 4 16. So, what are the factors? And we will find out the common factors, and out of that we will find out the highest common factor. What is the full form of HCF, children? It is highest common factor. So, first let us find out the common factors. So, here what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Children, you will be doing it in your workbook, okay? With pencil. Please write with pencil and with neat handwriting. And here we have 1, 2, 4. See, 4 is appearing 2 times, but we will write it only 1 time. Okay, do not confuse. 8 and 16. Right? Now, out of these two, we need to find out the common factors. So, which are the common factors? 1 is a common factor. 2 is a common factor. 3 is not there. 4 is there. Then we have 6 and 12. We do not have. 8, we do not have this side. 16 also we do not have. So, therefore, the common factors, what are the common factors, children? 1, 2 and 4. So, these are the common factors. These are the common factors, and which is the highest among them? Which is the highest among them? Obviously 4. Therefore, HCF is equal to 4. HCF is equal to 4. I hope it is understood, children, and it is easy as well, right? So, I hope this one is very well understood. Now, the next question is, find the LCM of 15 and 18. So, again, what are we going to do? We are going to find out the lowest common multiple. Now, how can we find out the lowest common multiple without doing the prime factorization? We can find it out by nothing. It is nothing complicated. What you have to do is, you have to find out the first common multiple between the two. The first common multiple. Any multiple, the first two, the first three, they will obviously be more than the first common multiple. So, you just need to find out the first common multiple of the two given numbers. Okay. So, I will clear the board and I will come back. So, children, we are ready with the question. We need to find out what? We need to find out the lowest common multiple. And very easy way to do it is, just find out the first common multiple of the two given numbers. Okay. So, let us start. So, first we are going to find out the multiples. Okay. So, let us write multiples of 15. Let us write the first 5 multiples of 15. 15, 30, then 45, 60, 75. Okay. Then we come to the multiples of 18. We come to the multiples of 18. Now, 18 1 18, 18 2 36. Children, what am I going to do is, okay, so let's do it. 18 1 18, 18 2 36, 18 3 how much? 18 3 is 54. Now 18 4 how much? 18 4 is 72. And 18 5 is 90. And as we already know that 15 6 is 90. 15 6 is 90. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write that one also out there. Okay. So 90. And this is our first common multiple of the digits of the numbers 15 and 18. 90 is the first common multiple. Therefore, LCM is equal to 90. What we did? Just keep on writing the multiples, and whichever is the first common multiple, that one will be your LCM. Okay, children? Now, please remember in your exam, when it comes, find out the HCF or find out the LCM, you can choose any of these two methods. Either you can choose this method to find out or the one that we did just before. If you choose this method, well and good. Or you can choose the prime factorization method also. No problem. But if it is mentioned in the question, find out the HCF of this and this by prime factorization or by factorization, then you have to use the mentioned method only. Suppose that it is given prime factors by prime factorization, then if you use this method, you will not get the marks. Alright, then you are not getting the marks. You can choose out of these two only if it is not mentioned. If it is mentioned which method you are to follow, then you must follow that method only. Clear, children? Now, let us move on to the next one, that is number 19. Now, if we talk about number 19, there you have been told to find out the HCF of 14 and 21 and 16 and 20. So, I guess this one is very easy and we have just now done how to find out the HCF. You can do it. Okay. And one more thing, children, it is not necessary that you need to do by this method or you need to do by prime factorization only. Do whichever method you are comfortable in, provided it is not mentioned. Provided the method is not mentioned, you can do any of the methods. Clear? Okay. Now, so number 19 will be homework for you. Number 19 will be a homework. Coming to number 20, we have find the LCM again, A and B, 10 and 15 and 12 and 20. Here also, you can easily do it for your homework. So, I'll give that for your homework. Okay, so number 19 and 20 will be our homework. Now, question number 21, it shows, it gives us, write the factor pairs of 64 by multiplication and division facts. Okay, that means we need to find out the pairs, the factor pairs by the multiplication and the division. Okay, so I'll just clear the board. So children, coming to question number 21, as I said, the question has asked us to write out the pairs, the factor pairs of 64 by multiplication and division facts. So first, let us find out the factors. 1 into 64 is equal to 64. Now since it is 64, obviously it is divisible, it will be in 2's table. So we have 232. 2 into 32 is equal to 64. Will it come in 3's table? Will it come in 3's table, children? No, it won't. It will come in 4's table. So we have 4 into 16. The 16 4 is 64. Okay, I guess now it is stable. Okay, so we have 4, and in 6 table do we have 5's table will we have? No, obviously not. 6, no. 7 7 8 is 56. 7 9 is 63. No. 8. Yes, we have in 8's table. 8 8 is 64. Right? Now coming to the division facts. If we do it in the division manner, 64 divided by 1 gives us 64. 64 divided by 2 gives us 32. 64 is divided by 3. We cannot divide. 64 divided by 4 gives us 16. And 64 does not go by 5, 6, 7, but it goes by 8. So 64 divided by 8 is 8. So what are the factor pairs? So what will be the factor pairs? The factor pairs are, what are those? 1 and 64, 1 and 64, 2 and 32, 2 and 32, 4 and 16, 4 and 16, 8 and 8, 8 and 8. Therefore, so both ways we have got the same pairs. Therefore, the factor pairs of 64 are 1 and 64, 2 and 32, 4 and 16, 8 and 8. So these are the children, these are the factor pairs of 64. I hope this is very clear. Next, write the factors and multiples of the given numbers and find their HCF and LCM. So I am going to do number A, and number B you will be doing as your homework. Okay. So children, coming to number 22, we have to find out the factors and the multiples, and then using those we are going to find out the HCF and the LCM. So I am doing number B. So let us first do the HCF, that is we need to find out the factors first, right? So if we talk about the factors of 12, first of all we will get 1 and 12. 1 and 12 we will get, so we will keep 12. Then 12 goes by 2 as well. So 2, 2 6 ja 12. It goes by 3 as well. So 3 4 ja, 2 6 ja, and 1 12 ja. These are the factors. 1 12 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12. Similarly, I guess I have told you all the short tricks that we are to use to know if we need to find more or anything else. So I guess you have to, now I am going a little fast, is that because you all already know the short tricks, and I hope you all are able to remind yourself all the tricks that we can use. So if I talk about the factors of 24, similarly we are going to find the factors of 24. Obviously the first one will be 1. 1 24s are. Next 24 goes by 2 as well. So 2 12 ja 24. So 12 will be kept. 3 8 ja 24. It goes by 3. It goes by 4 as well. Then it goes by what? 4 6 ja. That means 4 6 ja. I have written 3. So by how much does it go? 3 8 ja. 2 12 ja. And 1 into 24 will give us 24. Yes, children? 1 into 24 will give us 24. So, if I am to find out the common factors, for HCF obviously I need the common factors. Therefore, the common factors what are the common factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, no, not 8, 12. So these are the common factors. These are the common factors, and which one will be the highest among all of them? The biggest number, that is 12. Therefore, HCF is equal to 12. Similarly, we can find out the LCM also. What do we need to do? We simply need to find out the multiples, the first common multiple. Yes, good that you all remember. So I'll not rub everything. You see, this is also a trick. So we have multiples of 12, multiples of 24, and their first common multiple will be their LCM. Okay, so 12, 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48, and we can go on and on. 12 5 is 60. I am writing till number 5, okay, till the fifth multiple of 24. Now coming to multiples of 20, fifth multiple of 12. Now coming to multiple of 24. 24 1 is 24, 24 2 is 48, but I guess we have already got our answer because our first common multiple is here, 24. So our LCM will be the first common multiple. Our LCM will be the first common multiple. Therefore, LCM is equal to 24. Right, children? So I hope you all have understood very well and also enjoyed today's class, because today we have learned a new method of finding out the HCF and LCM. And I'm pretty sure all of you like this more than the prime factorization, because you all are not needing to do the, though the HCF is almost the same. The HCF is almost the same. Writing the factors, finding the common factors and everything. But LCM is a bit easier, isn't it? But children, make sure, I don't have any problem, you apply any method. But make sure if the method is mentioned, if it is given prime factorization, then you must do by prime factorization. If it is not given, you can choose any of the methods. Okay? So children, I will stop here for today, and in tomorrow's class we will continue with the workbook sums. So thank you. Have a great day, and do not forget number 19 and 20 are your homework. So you need to do it in your workbook, and these also in your workbook with pencil and neat handwriting. So thank you, students. Have a great day ahead.